This is my lake that's close to my house, where I usually come bring the boats here. And looks like we're able to run boats again. Because during spring break, this thing was packed. A couple of people here right now. But this right here where they are, I'll pull my car up right there, open up my tailgate, and just launch the boats right here. It's a pretty big lake, so we could get a good speed run in. So this week, hopefully, I'll bring you guys some running footage. I know you guys are probably tired of watching my boats on the kitchen table and stuff, but we have been waiting on parts and other stuff. This is Evans Lake, Fairmont Park. We got the boat. And here we got, I believe that's the remote, which I'm not going to use. Swap it out to the Spectrum so I could use my DX5C. Alright, let's get it out of here. So, this thing was listed as new in the box, but apparently looks like it's been damaged. It looks like it's probably been ran. Yeah, they already got their stickers on here. A couple of scuff marks. Paid $1.50 for this, so let me know if I got ripped off. So yeah, this thing's definitely been used. You can see the water stains in there. So it's been ran. Oh, that's all right, $1.50 for a vintage boat that's discontinued. We're gonna upgrade it anyway. And I have seen where they cut this out, and I could install the batteries down in there. So something to consider. But overall, it looks like it has a prop out here, because I think these came with the plastic ones. Correct me if I'm wrong. But overall, man, I'm happy with this thing. This thing's cool. Can't wait to see what it does. Most likely gonna change out the ESC, the receiver, or most likely the motor as well. Any tips you guys got for me, you know, I'm always ready for them. And hopefully we'll get out in the water soon. Looks like the lakes are empty again. Spring break's over, so we'll be out there this week if weather allows us. Just so you guys get an idea, comparison of the size next to the Velez. The Motley Crue's the big brother, or I should say the big sister, right? And yeah, I do keep my boats here in the living room on display. It's a bachelor house, no kids, no wife, We ain't got nobody complaining, so I am the kid. All right, guys. Enjoy your weekend, or Sunday, I should say, since the weekend is about over.